Hi guys, this is our yard and it's March but there's still snow. So we're gonna wait till all of the snow has melted and then we're going to start doing stuff at the yard. So we came back a little while later. There's less snow now, but we've still gotta wait a little bit longer for it all to finish melting. It's almost all done melting on the hill. It's just the yard now. So all of the snow has finished melting and we can start doing stuff at the yard. This is what the yard looks like at the back, and that's where the garage is going to be, and we're going to cut down these two trees because we're gonna have the garage there, like right there where those two orange flags are, and we want to park the trailer there or whatever, our boat or something like that. So we're gonna cut those trees down so that we have space. So this is how our yard looks like. That's gonna be the front where the truck is right now. That's gonna be the driveway. And the posts that are here with like the flags on them, like the orange ribbons, or that's where the house is gonna be, and where those little stumps are, that's gonna be the garage. These are the two trees we're gonna cut down. We're putting together the ladder and untying the rope. My dad's gonna climb up the tree and tie a rope to the top. Then he's gonna go up and cut the top part of it off, and we're gonna pull it down. Well, we're gonna pull as hard as we can so that it doesn't fall on that house right there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And those two we've already cut down. I think I already said that, but yeah, that's the ladder. That's how long it is. And my parents are going to put the ladder up against the tree, and then my dad is going to make sure that it is secure so that it doesn't fall or anything happens to it while we're climbing up. We're going to see who is the one who is going to climb up the tree and tie the rope onto it, and then climb down and use the chainsaw to cut the top half off. We're gonna see that by putting an axe into a stump, and then whoever can pull the axe out gets to climb up the tree. Let the strongest win. My dad was the one to get the axe out of the stump, so he gets to climb up the tree and tie the rope to the top. Here's the tree from the hill. Well, the start of the hill. If you look at the tree from here, this is what it looks like. And there's the rope. Booba's already getting ready to pull it. I wasn't able to record it falling because we all had to pull, and when my dad was still up there, so, but this is the tree that we cut down. It's like a cave in there. Where'd he go? Now we're going to start cutting the bottom half of the tree down. Dennis and Luba are holding the rope in case the tree starts to fall so that they can pull it right away. My mom is going to come help them once we've gotten farther into cutting the tree. My dad is cutting out a watermelon-shaped piece out of the tree so that he can pull it out and the tree will tip the way we want it to. Here's everyone who helped cut the tree and pull the tree coming to check it out. My dad is starting to climb up the second tree so that he can tie the rope onto that one, and me and Luba are holding the rope for him so that it's easier to take it up. Look how high up my dad is. All the way up there. Sorry the video's kind of blurry. Now we're going to clean up all of the branches, cut them off and put them into the truck so that we can take the leafy branches wherever you take them, I'm not sure. And we're gonna give the logs, stumps, whatever firewood that we cut up away to people who use firewood in fireplaces or just roasting marshmallows or whatever they need to use it for. So we've done a little bit of cleaning and putting the branches into the truck and cutting them. Now we're going to move on to the last part of the tree that we've got left. We've got a rope tied to the top like we did with all of the other ones, and I'll show you all of the branches that we've cut off the tree. That's just a really long log. We're just putting away the last branches that are there. in the end it looks cool how you have like the small pieces and then getting bigger and bigger slowly. We're just finishing up now, putting away the last branches, cutting up all of the logs into smaller pieces, getting firewood or whatever. Other than pulling the rope to pull the tree down, you can't really use your brother for much.